Are you looking for a rewarding career in the business world? The Business Accounting Diploma at Academy of Learning Career College is your pathway to a stable, high-demand profession with endless opportunities. Watch our video to discover how our program can help you unlock your potential and set you on the path to success. Choosing the Business Accounting program at Academy of Learning Career College means choosing a future-proof career. With our comprehensive training, expert instructors, flexible learning options, and strong career support, you'll be equipped to enter the workforce with confidence and achieve long-term professional success. Your accounting career starts here. Enroll now at Academy of Learning Career College, North York.